Hey everybody, since I work in tech, I get asked by friends or family how to do certain things. And so what I've started doing is making these videos so that they can see them at their own time. And then my thought is that if they're asking questions, other people may have the questions as well. So the question I got asked today is how to download and install Skype. And so what we're going to do is type in SKYPE, pick your favorite browser, went to Google, and this first link here would have that. Now what you're going to do is type or press get Skype, and when you hover over that you see Windows, Mac, and Linux. So we're going to have a video on each, but right now we're doing Windows, and we're going to select download. And what they make you do is either have an account or create an account before you can download the software. So we're going to have to go through this process. I'm going to, since I already have an account, I'm going to make up some stuff here. Okay, and if it has an asterisk next to it, then that tells you that it's a required field. So all this stuff is not required. They would like to have it, but it's not required. Now your Skype name is a unique name, and you can spend a lot of time trying to guess something that somebody else doesn't already have. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and select one of the recommended ones, because when you do that, it tells you that it's available. And the first thing I'm gonna do is write that down because we don't want to lose that. It's hard to recover. It's easy to recover a password. It's hard to recover a user ID. I'm also going to keep the email account that we signed up for as well. And what we need to do is come down here and select a password. The password is kind of tricky. They want it to be pretty in depth here, so that I guess nobody else can get it. I'm sure they're worried about hacking. Let's see if I can type this in again. Okay, and now this is the hardest part for me. I can never get these, but we have to do this as well. I'm not sure why I struggle with those. Let's see if we got everything. I think we did. Since there's a delay, we should have. So now we're going to download this. Our web browser saying is, do you want to keep this or not? And what we want to go over while this is actually downloading is what can we do with Skype. So the first thing it does is it does instant messaging, and you think your AOL and all these other AIM and Yahoo Instant Messenger does that. It makes phone calls to other people with Skype or to actual phones. Now to make a call to an actual phone, you have to have credit, so you have to sign up for that, and they charge, I don't know, 2 cents a minute or something like that. If you have a camera on your laptop or computer, then you can make video conferencing calls as well, so you can actually see them. So it has a lot of different uses. So when people are talking about Skype, I mean, you can Skype them, but it can be a phone, it can be instant message, it can be a video conference call, depending on what they have. And when you select someone's account, which we'll do in another video, you'll be able to select which one you want to do. Do you want to call them? Do you want to text them per se? Or do you want to set up the video call? So this just completes here. Alright, so here we have it put in our user ID for us. Type in the password. You can tell it to automatically sign you in when Skype starts. That way you don't have to enter this information. And then you can tell it to automatically start when your computer starts, so that people can see that you're online. If you don't want that and you want to start Skype so that they can see you're online, then you want to just select this. We'll see if it signs in here. I messed up my password. 1 second. Okay, we have a test contact in here. Right now it's looking for a camera. I don't have one on this monitor, so we're going to get out of this. But what it would do is, if it found your webcam or camera, it can take your picture and put it in your icon here. And we don't have any other accounts here, but we're going to do that in the next one. We're going to add some contacts and get this set up. So take care, and we'll see you in the next video.